Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Code Studio, where we build our full websites. That's why it's in a single line of code. And for this video, we'll be building a mobile banking website, also known as online banking. So please kindly subscribe to help this channel grow. Like, comment, and share this video. So I'll be giving a brief overview of this website. So here is the front end interface of the website. It has this logo here. It has this login button here where user can log into the account, and also user can create a new account here. It comes with this translator where user can translate into different languages. So I can translate to French. Can also translate to German. You can see the content of our site has been translated to German. I'll just click on English back. So here is the Euro section where it says complex mobile bank. Then we do banking differently. So user can also log in through here and also create account from here. Here is our writing code and our working hours. So you can schedule an appointment. So this section says Samplex rates, and here it says Samplex member care. You can send us a message, you can call us, you can schedule an appointment, and FAQs and support. So in this section it says how can we help you: instant account, credit card, loan, business banking, wealth and retirement about Samplex. So here it says get £300 with a checking account to create for you. And here's the blog section of this website. As you can see, this website comes with a very clean and matured interface. So here is the testimonial section, our footer section. Now I'll log into a demo account and show you its functionality. Here's our demo account. It comes with two account type: the savings account type and the checkings account type. So here user can perform wire transfer, local transfer, you can perform internal transfer within user. So they can also buy cryptocurrency, you can pay bills like plane tickets and hotel booking from this website. So they can add the beneficiary, so they can deposit with their card, they can deposit using cryptocurrency, you can deposit check. They're uploading the front end and the back end. So they can take a quick loan, so they can also invest from this mobile banking. So they can contact support by filling out this form. So just go ahead now, then I'll make you transfer so you see how it works. So one thing about this website is that it asks user for code when they want to make a transfer, be it local or international. After inputting the COT code, you get this animation where it says processing transfer, and it asks for your tax code. Then after your tax code, it asks you for your IMF code. So after input, get this receipt. Okay, you can decide to download the receipt. You can see here's the receipt of transfer we need. So one thing about this website is that user can update their profile. So you can click on this icon here, then you can see your profile. You can decide to change the image. You can edit everything about your profile. You can change your name, your phone number, and select your country. Click on close. So I'll just go ahead now and I'll deposit with our card. For instance, I want to fund my checking account, so I'll click on it. I'll click on the amount, 6,000, then the name of the card. You get this notification where it says your request to fund your checkings account with £6,000 have been submitted. Reference ID is 115133. You just click on close. You can see this online banking is very robust. Okay, so I'll quickly go over to the admin's end so you see how it looks and how it works. So here is our admin dashboard. So here it says you have one notification, so I'll click on it to view. So here is our card deposit. So you can decide to open it, and maybe after opening it, you can decide to fund that user. Decide to create an account for a new user. So here is our user Zero Code Studio. So just click on this plus icon to manage our user. Here is the profile picture of the user. So one of the amazing features about this online banking is that it's automatic transaction history generator for a user by filling in these details, whether you want it to be check-ins, you want it to be credit or debit. You just fill your information and you click on run. So here is the account ID, name of the user. You can edit everything. You can select the account status to be active, want it to be dormant, want it to be daily limited date. So you can edit everything about the user from this admin portal. You can decide to change their password to update their account currency. So after making the necessary changes, all what you just need to do, you just click on update account. You can credit a user. Maybe you want to credit the seconds. Now click on the amount and now click on dates. I want it to be today. You click on credit. Just click on proceed. So this user has been successfully credited. So the same thing goes for debit. Okay, you can decide to send a notification to this user. And so here's the account history of this user. I'll go ahead now and I'll take you to the admin settings of this website. If I click on admin settings, you can change your username, your email, and your password here. So I'll just leave that. So come to this wallet settings. Yeah, admin can set up a new wallet. For instance, I want the wallet to be Ethereum. Then you input your wallet address and I'll go ahead and input my admin password. Here you can see wallet created successfully. Here's the FAQ section of our website. You can decide to add a new question and answer, or maybe edit an already existing question. I told you everything about this website is 100% customizable. So I'll go ahead to our testimonial section. You can upload your images and upload the testimonial of your client. Here's the about section of our website. You can decide to edit this and just click on update, or go ahead and I'll click on general settings. You can edit the name of your website, and edit the bank email, the bank phone number, the routing number, the site abbreviation, the email sender. Here, the primary color of this website, you can edit it. You can edit everything from here. The website is 100% customizable. You can also add live chat plugin. So my next video, I'll show you how to integrate any live chat in your website. If you want to know how to build this type of website, please watch the video till the very end. The point is to get an hosting and domain. So I'll quickly go over and I'll log into my cPanel. So I've made a full tutorial on how to get an hosting and domain. So I'll leave the link in the video description. Just go over here and I'll search for file manager. And I'll be going to this public_HTML. You click on the upload button here. Then you select your file. So at the end of this video, I'll be telling you guys how to get access to this file. So just wait for it to finish uploading. Just click on go back to home. So you can see samplexbank.zip. Click on it and right click and click on extract. Click on extract files. Now click on close. So delete this zip file. Click on delete here. So enter this folder. So I'll select everything. I just click on select all here. Now click on move. I want to move everything to our public_HTML. Click on move. Then I'll delete this folder here, this Samplex Bank folder. So I'll select this app, I'll select system, select writable.env. So I'll move this file to our root directory. So I'll go over to this public_HTML here. I'll select everything. I'll move it to our main public_HTML. The files inside this public_HTML folder has been moved to our main public_HTML. So just click on this folder, then I'll delete it. So I'll go ahead now and access our website. So the name of my domain is Samplex tutorials. So just click on it and see. So you get this. This is because you haven't connected your database. So I'll go ahead now and I'll connect my database to our site. And I'll search for database wizard. So you get the database wizard. So I'll click on it. So we'll be creating our database for this website. The name of this database is Samplex. And I'll click on next step. So we'll be creating a database user for this database. So the username will be Samplex also. Then our password, I'll just hit on this password generator to generate a password. I'll go to my notepad and I'll paste this password here. Click on I have copied this password in a safe place. Click on use password. I'll click on create user. I'll copy our database name on our database username. Paste it in our notepad. And I'll check these all privileges. And I'll click on make changes. So we have successfully created a database for this website. So I'll go ahead now to our phpMyAdmin to upload the SQL file for our website. Here is our database we just created, so I'll click on it. See, our database is empty, so you click on this imports here and click on choose file. So here's the database for this website. Then I'll click on import. So our database has been successfully imported. I'll go over to my file manager here. So here's our root directory. So you look for your .env file. As you can see, here it is. Alright, click on it. Then I'll click on edit. Go on edit like so. So first of all, we'll be updating our app URL. After updating the base URL of our website, we'll be connecting our database to this website. I'll go to my notepad. The name of our database is this one, so I'll copy it and I'll come here and paste it. So the username is also the same thing here. Our password, I'll copy it, then I'll paste it here. So I'll click on save changes here. So we have successfully updated our database. So I'll click on close. Then I'll go to my app folder here and I'll click on it. And I'll click on controllers. Then you go to this license here. I'll click on edit. So you scroll the way down till you see this license. So you change this to your domain name here. I'll go to our site now and I'll refresh. So yes, we have successfully replicated this at same thing. So to get access to these scripts, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number in the video description. So just hit me up on WhatsApp, then I'll tell you how to get these scripts. So you can access the admin by searching for your domain name /admin. Here's the admin portal. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to help grow this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.